Hey, what's up, guys? This is Keith here, back with another video. I wanted to make a video about creating scans in ThinkorSwim, low float scans also. And in these scans, you'll be able to really quickly go through and sort the scan out and all kinds of cool stuff, make it a lot easier to scan within ThinkorSwim. So let's go right into it. First off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open this little side window here, and then you're going to hit the plus sign. So you hit that plus sign, and then you click watch list down here, and then now you have one of these right here, little things. So then from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click right here and go to create scan query. It's going to pull up this screen right here. So now you have different things you can scan for. And so what you're going to want to do is you can just click this top one here, scroll down and go to shares. And then now you can, shares acts like float. It's very similar to float in ThinkorSwim because there's no float scan, unfortunately, within ThinkorSwim. But if you use the shares, that will give you a very good close guesstimation of the float. So I usually like to shoot a little high on the shares. So 200 million is usually what I usually do. And then you can also, so that right there kind of gives you like less than 200 million float scan right there already. It's already going to scan for that. And you can come up here and you can click different things, like you can exclude like all OTC stocks. And that'll help the filter, make it a lot cleaner, you know, if you're not trying to scan for any kind of OTCs. And then also you can do it by volume too. So like say you want to have like 1 million shares at least of volume, you know. So that's pretty cool. So then you can max this out. And then maybe say you want to see stocks that are only up a certain amount too, right? You can do that too. So like percent change, like like at least 1% on the day, right? So then, so yeah, that's an easy way. You can name it up here. So you name it like low floats scan plus 1% or something like that, right? And then save it. And then so now it's in your little thing here. If you go to personal, you'll see it in here, right here, low float scan plus 1%. And then that right there is your scan, and it's on the side there. And it makes it very easy to scan for stocks when you're just from the side panel here. So it makes things a lot easier. And then what you can do too is you can, you know, mess with these settings here. You know, like say you want to customize the what it's actually, the information spitting out. You can go in here and say you don't really want to care about net change much. Bid and ask you don't care about. Ask, no, but you can put the percent change in there, and then you can put volume in there, and that'll kind of give you a better little estimate. So like here's the price, and then percent change, and then volume, and then you can sort it like that. So now you have your low float scan sorted by price, percent change, and volume. So that's pretty cool to be able to do that too. Or say you want to change, you want to sort it by what's up most on the day, you know. Also, if you want to make sure you link it to a certain window, so that way when you click on it, it just immediately clicks. Like look at that. I didn't even know that spiked today, but I just did that scan and then that popped up. So I'm gonna add that to my watch list. But yeah, wow, that's pretty cool. So that immediately popped up. So it's showing a lot of low float stuff that's did volume and you know, is up on the day, really. So that's a good way to do a nightly scan too. You know, at the end of the night, you can just see all these amazing breakouts and study them. And like, look at that. That's like quite a bit of stuff that broke out today. So I'm kind of surprised. So, so yeah, guys, I hope you like that video. I want to keep it short. I just wanted to show you a really quick way to build a watch list and sort it and scan it and pick up the stocks that you look at. This is basically just a low float scan example, but there's so many different things you can scan for within ThinkorSwim. So the built-in scanner is pretty cool. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe for more content, and yeah, talk to you guys later.